based on what we're seeing, are we likely to realize those benefits? Are we realizing the benefits? Depending on what the timeline is for realizing those benefits. But you want to examine the business value all throughout. Business value in the beginning. What business value are we seeking to deliver? Are we delivering it? Are there any other opportunities to even deliver more business value? And when all is said and done and you've delivered the final release or increment, the question is, are we checking to make sure that we're realizing this business value? And then the third thing that you do in this very first task is you support the team. This comes real early on. As a servant leader, you support the team by subdividing the project task as necessary to find the MVP, the minimum viable product. So you as a servant leader, you should support the team in subdividing these tasks as necessary. Now, it's not necessarily tasks, but it's the work. That would be another way of saying it. So how do you break the work down to find the minimum viable product? But let's back up and ask another question. What is the minimum viable product? The minimum viable product is the minimum amount of a product that you need to deliver to a customer to get enough valuable feedback to determine if that product is really what the customer wants. And that's why we call it the minimum viable product. Now, while it is called minimum viable product, be aware that in industry, a lot of times you may not even need to build an entire product or even part of a product. It is the minimum thing you need to do to get the feedback necessary to tell you if that product is viable, if that product will fly in the marketplace. For example, Uber Eats. If you wanted to implement Uber Eats, assuming you didn't even know it existed, just even use a survey for your minimum viable product. And based on the response you get, you know if it's going to fly in the marketplace or not. But to take it up a level, take it up a notch, you could actually have a product. And it's the minimum amount of product you need to deliver for the valuable feedback. It's feedback. It's really all about feedback. MVP is all boiled down to, is this product viable? Okay? And that's pretty much it, my friends. That's it for today. It's that simple. So for you to get a very firm grasp of this task, binding certain choice pieces of predictive, see that? And certain choice pieces of agile. And it's very possible that at some points you are delivering incrementally, and at other points you are delivering just one time. Maybe it's a one-time rollout,